Welcome to the event module in MLeads CRM, the all-in-one tool designed to help you manage and track every event you attend, whether it's online or offline. If you are exhibiting a trade show, attending a seminar, or networking at a virtual conference, MLeads help you capture and manage leads, tasks, and event-related data seamlessly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use event module to create events, input leads, schedule tasks, and manage every details with ease. So let's get started. First, let's start with the basics of managing your events. You'll find that adding, editing, and viewing events in MLeads is quick and simple. Click on an Add button to create a new event. Enter the details like event name, date and time, event type, the location, the contact details, and the address information and the notes. After adding the leads, you can view the list of the leads by clicking on the Events button. Here you can see that we have added 2 events. So if you want to edit an event, you can just simply click on an event and click Edit button. Here you can edit the details of your event. Look into an event, simply click on the event name and after click View button. You will be able to view all the associated leads, tasks, and follow-ups. You can also see multiple notes over here. To import the leads, simply click on the Input button and then you will get the option to import the leads from Excel or scanning the business cards. This feature gives you the power to import the images of the business cards which has been clicked in the events or trade shows. You can also import the events leads from the Gmail and Salesforce. Leads with your team or transfer leads to the appropriate team member or follow. This is a perfect for ensuring that your leads are assigned to the right people for the best chance of conversion. So use this feature. So to use this feature, you need to click on Share Lead and Share Leads and Transfer Leads. Let's see Share Leads. To share the leads, you simply need to select the leads and select the team member and click the Share button. This ensures that you have successfully shared the leads to the specific team member. Transfer the leads. So in case you want to just transfer the leads permanently to a team member, you can simply click on the Transfer Leads button. Again, it's very simple. You just need to select the leads, select the team member, and transfer. Managing the tasks and follow-ups. So let's see how can you work with those functionalities. You simply click the task button. From here you can add the tasks in this event. You can add the priorities, select the status. You can also assign the task to your team members. to keep track of all the expenses related to the event by entering them directly into MLeads. This could include travel, booth cost, marketing material. Having everything in one place ensures that your budget stays under control and you can easily generate reports for the event costs. To use this feature, you can click on expense tracking, add expense. You can see you have multiple categories which are already built. You just need to add expense name, the amount, and the vouchers, and select the category. As you can see, the two expenses are added successfully. Filters for better event management. With so many events to manage, MLeads CRM offers powerful filters to help you stay organized and quickly find the information as you need. As you can see, there are several types of filters, which includes filter by the team member, filter by the event. You can also filter through the dates. You can use the search button to easily find the managing events has never been easy. From adding and editing events to inputting leads, scheduling tasks, and tracking expenses, MLeads CRM helps you keep track of everything and keeps it organized and efficient. Ready to start managing your events and leads more efficiently? Just click on the Get a Free Trial button given in the description below. Thank you.